thing on? No? Oh, sorry. Yeah, so huge announcement. As you can see, I'm holding a model rocket here. After some careful consideration, have decided to launch a brand new channel. It'll be called Rocket Time. I'm going to put a link in the somewhere in the video here, up, down, left, right, bottom. Anyway, that'll take you to the new channel that I decided to launch. Everybody knows about the YouTube algorithms and how finicky they are, so just trying to make it a little bit easier to allow for people to watch arcade related videos or model rocket related videos, and I think just having them on one channel isn't really giving them any justice. So that being said, I look forward to seeing you on the new channel, and we'll still be doing fun stuff here at Jason's Arcade Plus. So until then, thank you.